Today we're going to talk about two products that I've got for the Siemens numeric 810 control. First is the universal plug-and-play 8.4-inch LCD monitor, and then the universal 8-inch LCD upgrade. So in the Siemens numeric control, it usually has a 9-inch CRT monitor in it, and it has a 16-pin video plug, and it takes 15 volts. You got to watch out, make sure that the monitor you have can accept the 15 volts, because this control, 24 volts goes into it, but the monitor has 15 volts supplied into it. So anyways, we'll just go through the quick installation. So the new plug-and-play LCD monitor, it has a front cover, so the rear monitor gets supplied, slides in just like this. You see there's 4 mounting holes right here, and this is how the LCD mounts into the frame. So you take your front cover, put it on front, and there's 4 screws that screw in, so it presses the LCD in place. It's important that when you're mounting it, the metal of the LCD monitor does not touch the metal of the case. The way that Siemens designed it, it's isolated so that this metal and this metal are not supposed to touch. Even in the original monitor, the CRT monitor is actually floating inside this control, so it doesn't touch. So that's the one version. It's really easy. Pull it out of the box, so you have it installed in less than 5 minutes. It's really quick. The other one takes a little bit more time. It's an LCD upgrade. It's not an LCD. It's a non-replacement monitor. And how that works is you take your original monitor, you take your CRT and the electronics out of the frame, and then this bolts on to where the old CRT used to be, and then the frame gets put right back into place exactly where it was before, and the plugs plug in. So Monitech provides the proper connection, and as I was saying, the 15 volts is right on this connection. So there's only one cable attached to the monitor, which is plugs in. Here's the original cable right here. Plugs in right here, and 24 volts turns the machine on. When you're installing this, you have to make sure everything's plugged in at once, and then turn the control on. If you try plugging the monitor in after the control's turned on, then the control will shut down. It's very sensitive, and any surges, it has all this extra protection. So that's it for my little introduction to 8-inch monitors for the Siemens 810 control. Thank you.